Hello Internet, this is TDH Advocate on behalf of the iQuestria staff with a quick little preview of some early designs for the iQuestria app for iPhone. These designs, as of now, are still early. They are pre-alpha. They are not an actual app. This is actually just in my photos. But these are some design concepts that we have for the app and how it will work. None of this can be said if it will actually make it to the iOS version that is publicly launched. I cannot say that it will make it to Android. I cannot say it will make it to any other devices that may be added in the future if we add any others. But this is, as of right now, the pre-alpha images or previews of what we may base the app around. So as you can probably tell right here, this is a login screen, so you have the iQuestria logo in the background. Little info button right there will be usable, but obviously right now we can't. The username entry field, the password entry field, and the sign in or sign up buttons. Once you sign in, this is what the home screen will kind of look like. We do have icons, so it may be released in different stores. Obviously that space is not meant to be that big, but it's just the font. As you can probably see, maybe that does have a US dollar sign on it. That if we release it in other app stores around the world, we may change that. I'm not sure if it will be released outside of the American App Store. We do have all these buttons. These are only some possible features. These aren't 100% confirmed or denied. As we do have a forum, we do have a works, and we do have music, but the rest currently is under development. Right here we have a home button because this is meant to be kind of like an operating system inside of the iOS, but through an app. So it's like how Apple has the home button and the double tap and all that good stuff. We have the home button. It will be on every single UI view, so that way you can tap it and come right back to this page. This little button up here will kind of act as a double tap feature, more or less. It will pull up a little profile image, so you can check your subscriptions, your friends, your inbox, and you can even search as well as see your profile picture there. Now that name lounge and subscriptions and friends, all that is not yet finished, so those could change at any time. But basically all that would happen is you tap that and it would probably just kind of slide out from the side here. It won't take up your whole screen, so that way you just tap there and it would come back to this view. Then as for the radio, I will be showing you guys a quick little preview of the radio. I do not have any previews of anything aside from the radio, so please bear with this. As you can see, these are all the radios that you can usually find on crap, I can't remember the name. These are all the radios on the One Radio Chrome app. I forget what they're called. Little apps that you can download for Chrome. This is all the radio stations from that. We are going to try and hopefully get some of these. But each radio station does have a description, so to show that description, what you would have to do if this is added in later would be hold down on the app on the radio station, and a little pop-up field would come up telling you the description of the station. Again, all of this is concept, none of this is official, none of this is unofficial. This is all by myself. I have made these previews, this concept art, more or less. So none of this is made from an outside source. This is all from the actual iQuestria admins. And then we also have a preview. Obviously these icons are a little outdated since these are very early concepts, recently updated to fit some of our new ideas. So if we were to tap, say, like Celestia Radio, it would pull you up to this screen here, which is just kind of, it'll show the icon of the radio station you're listening to, the musician, the song, the musician, and then that pause button, which will, there might be other buttons later, but we don't have any buttons yet. and then the volume slider, obviously, because you need a volume slider when you're listening to music. The info button, this little thing, banner here, will probably be across the entire app. Not 100% sure on that yet. We might just limit it to the home screen. Like I said, none of this is final. All of this is still in development. The app has not started development yet. These are all just previews. The app development will start for iOS here very shortly, so hopefully you guys will stick around until then. Sorry for the long inactivity streak. It's just been a pain to get stuff done between our schooling and our actual outside life, but we have done a lot since the last time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys will stick around for iQuestria, and if you would like, iQuestria is actually out on desktop. The forums is out. Just go to http://forums.iquestria.net. We also have the images, which you can just get to from the forums, and we also have a splash page at http://iquestria.net. I think that's all you have to do, and then you can go to either the forums or images from there. So hope you guys will stick around. Hopefully we'll have more important news for you in the future, rather in the near future, and hope to see you guys on iQuestria.